Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to talk about Xeggex or Xeggex account that I have, and I wasn't able to log in. As you know, the account was locked down. If you go and check Xeggex official X channel, you could see they're all started with explanation that the account was security. It was it's read to the CEO. Okay, so there was CEO account was hacked, which was the actually TG account and Xeggex community group. He lost TG account. Anyways, the CEO was hacked, and potentially they blocked everything on Xeggex just to make sure for security purposes, which is a good part. Now the problem is the there's still balances. I think going to be an issue with some balances because they're potentially going to be a problem with logins and some information possibility. And they currently the last post that be like 11 hours ago, it's basically logins are open now and you can log in. If you can't log in, try using older password or reset it. Okay, if it doesn't work, please wait for claim portal, which is currently in development. All right, so if your 2FA isn't working, two-factor verification, you can submit a request, a reset request and stuff like that. So the site not fully operational, trade withdrawal deposits are disabled. So let's go to Xeggex. I hide my portfolio just so there is no like too many questions. But anyways, look, like some of the items I have the withdrawal. So like for Bagna I can withdraw. So let's try that. If I click withdraw there on Bagna wallet, so there's a Bagna fee of 000XPE, which I'm not 100% sure what it is. So it looks like Bagna is completely available, but it doesn't show me, like typically I can put full available balance. Okay, so 100 million I can withdraw. I'm gonna try my Bagna address, see if that works. So and see if I can save my Bagna wallet from going out. So let me see. Where's my Bagna? I should have a Bagna wallet. Hopefully open on one of these. Think right there. Okay, so I'm gonna copy my Bagna wallet address and see if that's gonna work. So I have the new wallet, so I'm gonna use one of the empty one just to make sure it works. Let's do this one right there. Okay, with basically 01 Bagna, so there's nothing almost there. I'm gonna copy this address and we're gonna try to paste it here. I don't see a paste option. Okay, Control V, let's say. Friendly name, Bagna wallet. I'm gonna call it one, add new address. All right, so it's not verified, that's fine. Okay, let's try to withdraw. I don't see the minimum and maximum. That's weird. I don't see the fee, which is also weird. So I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna get the email verification and the PIN verification. So I'll do that and see if that works. Just give me a second here. All right, I was able to do email verification. Now I need to do this one real quick before it expires. All right, then we definitely get the message this action is not allowed on your account. Please contact support. All right, so looks like even though it shows withdrawal, you cannot withdraw. Even if I try to withdraw, let's say 1 million. Okay, so let's do the smaller amount. Did I do 10 millions? Yeah, let's do 1 million. And let's try to kick, maybe because I don't have any XPE. But let's try. Yeah, it doesn't work. Not allowed on your account. So even though I tried first, yeah, looks like it's all blocked. So realistically, it's just blocked for security purposes for now. So when I go back to my wallet, I basically see these withdrawals available, but they're actually they're not. So have a bunch of different coins, not a lot, but it was about $20,000 worth of coins, but now it dropped to 34% drop. So I'm not sure what's exactly going on. I need to go and verify every coin amounts on my account just to see and compare that to Coinly. The only problem, the last time I updated is January, so will be still probably a 1 month gap, but hopefully not a lot because I didn't do any Casper mining this month. Maybe Radiant, I'm not sure. No, Radiant I didn't probably do. There's few old coins, so I'm pretty sure it's all supposed to be on Coinly. Maybe just few weird coins that I did, like a Bell recently, as the script mining on LTC with the DOGE coin. But it's very little, maybe like 3-4 bells there, and yeah. Anyways, gotta go and research what's going on there, but we hope that the stuff gonna get restored. Like what they're saying, they're still working. The trades, deposits, withdrawal are disabled. Not fully operational. Site is not fully operational, but everything disabled. So even though it shows withdrawal, don't be too happy, because like Xeggex, it shows withdrawal, but I don't want to even try because I have one Xeggex, and the fee to transfer Xeggex is also 1. The fee is 1.2. And I have 1.2, so if I transfer that definitely nothing gonna get transferred, because the fee is same amount of the coin that I have, which is kind of ridiculous. 1.2. Oh wait, it's XPE, not Xeggex, so I was wrong. So I don't know if I can. What's the XPE price right now? So let's see if that even worse. Trying. XPE, if there's value of that coin. Yeah, there is. Okay, cool. So 1.2 XPE, that's really not much, 12 cents. Yeah, so at least there's a fee for it. The Bugnet didn't have the fee, so that's maybe why it's failing. Let me see my Xeggex, another Xeggex account. Maybe I'm gonna try to do that instead. Right, so let me get my Xeggex deposit. Let's do one more try just to see if we can do anything on that. Right amount received. Let's try full balance for 50. Make withdrawal. Okay, I'm gonna get email verification. Should get that pretty quickly. Send PIN. Okay. Okay, so I have email verified, and let me try to do the app. Yeah, and exactly same issue. So definitely This action not allowed in your account, please contact customer support. So it's realistically, even though you see this withdrawal not in the red, doesn't mean anything. It just pop out maybe accidentally. The main concern there is this change, daily change 34%, which is pretty huge. I don't know if we had such a dump 34%. I'm gonna go one by one coin and just make sure I have the quantity. I'm gonna show values just and go through and compare to Coinly. So that's pretty it for this update, but at least the positive is here. You can see the wallet back, you can log in, there is some balances. That's very, very important. So I'm really impressed that just Xeggex or Xeggex made to that point, because that's a pretty tough one. I mean, like if something happened to your exchange, something like that, it's tough. It's tough to gain, back, all the customers. Like everybody probably gonna be a little bit scared. That's why they kind of close deposit and the withdrawals, because what happened if all this old deposits gonna start popping up and it's the system not ready. Same with withdrawal. If everybody starts remove the coins, that's gonna be disaster. And for platform, I guess, and it's like it's a tough one. Anyways, we'll see how the fix gonna appear, when the trade's gonna be fixed or any, because it shows trades you can trade, but I'm pretty sure you cannot trade anything at all. Let's for example try to buy Caspa right now, right? So let's go to the Caspa USDT and let's say, ooh, yeah, there is nothing even activated. So yeah, parts of the site not working. That's exactly what it means. There is a price showing at 0.91 cents, 0.091. Okay, and yeah, there's nothing like you can really do there, I guess. Yeah, I can't. No buy, no sell, market post there. There's a notice there. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, for this video, just want to quickly update, because it's hurt probably a lot of people. Just Xeggex or Xeggex exchange, it's been for a while. It's kind of was tripping that it could happen. Like DOGE blocked Caspa at one point. It's still locked. I still have locked a lot of Caspa at DOGE. Nothing happening there. So it is, I kind of understand that people would get scared. So I moved from all of exchanges, all of my crypto to the wallets. Either whatever I could move to Tangem or other wallets, or even web wallets, I removed everything that I could so far. I still have in Coinbase technically. I don't know if that's, you can swap. It's almost like a wallet / exchange, but I don't know. It's kind of larger platform. If something happened to Coinbase just like that, that would be a little more scary than this. I'm pretty sure they have a lot more money going on. Anyways, just want to quickly update. All right, guys. So let me know if you were able to recover all your funds, if you see all the coins or not. I still need to go through and kind of look through all my numbers there. So I'll be doing that. And yeah, if any questions, let me know. I will see you guys on the next one. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on the next one.